AI is everywhere, our phones, cars, homes, making life smarter, but also putting our privacy at risk. The more data AI gets, the more valuable and vulnerable our personal info becomes. Today, privacy means knowing what data you generate, who has it, and how it's used. Let's dive into 7 practical tips to take back control of your privacy in the AI era. First up, let's talk about passwords. They're the keys to your digital life, but most people still use weak, easy-to-guess passwords like their pet's name or 123456. That's a huge mistake. Using the same weak password everywhere is a massive risk, especially now that AI-powered hacking tools can crack simple passwords in seconds. If one account gets breached, all your accounts could be at risk. Every account needs a strong, unique password, something long, random, and complex. Think of it as a secret code that only you know, not something anyone could guess from your social media. Don't try to remember dozens of complicated passwords. Instead, use a password manager like Bitwarden or 1Password to keep everything safe and organized. These tools generate and store tough, unique passwords for every account, so you only need to remember one strong master password to access them all. Set up a password manager today, and start updating your old, weak passwords. It's a quick process that pays off in peace of mind. Taking this step is the single biggest improvement you can make for your online security. Don't wait. Protect yourself now. Even strong passwords aren't enough. Enable two-factor authentication 2FA everywhere. 2FA means even if someone gets your password, they can't log in without a code from your phone or an authenticator app. Use app-based authenticators like Google Authenticator instead of SMS for better security. Turn on 2FA for your most important accounts right now. It's a simple move that makes hacking your accounts much harder. AI systems thrive on the data we provide, so it's important to be intentional and selective about what you share online. Every piece of information you give away can be used, stored, or even analyzed in ways you might not expect. When signing up for new apps or services, only provide the absolute minimum information required. Skip optional fields whenever possible, and consider using burner emails or temporary accounts to protect your real identity and inbox from unnecessary exposure. Never paste or type sensitive information like passwords, financial details, or private messages into AI chatbots or online forms. Remember, anything you enter could potentially be stored or used to train future AI models, even if it seems private. The less personal data you share, the less you risk if there's ever a data breach or leak. Protecting your information starts with sharing less in the first place. Treat every input field, no matter how harmless it seems, with caution. Always pause and think before you type. In today's digital world, being a conscious and careful sharer is more important than ever for protecting your privacy and staying secure online. Keep your devices and apps updated. Those updates patch security holes hackers love to exploit. Turn on automatic updates for your phone, computer, and browser. For everything else, check for updates weekly. Delaying updates leaves you exposed, especially as AI makes attacks faster and smarter. Don't be the easy target. Stay updated. Review your privacy settings regularly. Defaults usually favor the company, not you. Most apps and services are designed to collect as much data as possible unless you tell them otherwise. Taking a few moments to check these settings can help you protect your personal information and limit what companies know about you. Go through your main apps and turn off things like location tracking, ad personalization, and unnecessary data sharing. Pay special attention to permissions you may have granted without realizing, like access to your contacts, camera, or microphone. These can often be restricted without affecting how you use the app. For AI tools, look for options to turn off chat history. This prevents your conversations from being stored or used to improve the service, which can help keep your data more private. And opt out of model training whenever possible. This means your data won't be used to train future versions of the AI, giving you more control over how your information is handled. Revisit these settings every few months. Companies change them often. New features or updates can reset your preferences, so it's important to stay vigilant and keep your privacy in check. Take control of what you share and who sees it. Customizing your privacy settings empowers you to decide what information stays private and what you're comfortable sharing. A few minutes in your settings can make a big difference. Protecting your privacy doesn't have to be complicated. Just a little effort can go a long way in keeping your data safe. Protect your private chats with end-to-end encryption, E2E. Use apps like Signal, WhatsApp, or iMessage for secure messaging. No one but you and the recipient can read your messages. For email, try Proton Mail or Tutanota for encrypted communication. Switching apps might take effort, but it's worth it for sensitive info. In the AI age, encrypted conversations are your best defense. The most important tip: stay informed. AI and privacy are changing fast. What's safe today might not be tomorrow. Follow trusted tech news, check privacy reviews before signing up for new tools, and stay curious. You don't need to be an expert, just aware and proactive. An informed user is a safer user. Those are your 7 essential privacy tips for the AI era. Start with 1 or 2, then build up. Every step counts. Don't be a passive user. Take charge of your digital security. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more. Share this with someone who needs a privacy checkup. Stay curious, stay secure, and see you next time.